Are you sick and tired of trying to find the right cable to charge all your devices? I know I am. That's why for the Kick Charge, we've included the cables as part of the unit. Never lose a cable again. And another thing, check this out. If you hate cables altogether, we've got magnetic charge. You ripper! Hey, our Kick Charge portable power banks aren't your usual power bank. Let's take a quick gander. Now the great thing about these, they come in two different varieties. So you've got your 10,000 milliamp hour, and they come in silver and blue. And we also have our 20,000 milliamp hour, once again, that come in blue and silver. So that's them there, check them out, they're really great. Now they come with the charging cable as well. Okay, my favourite thing about the Kick Charger is we include the cables along with it as well, so you never need to worry about where your cables are. But if you hate cables like I do, we've also got magnetic charge. Oh, excuse me for one quick second. Hello there. Nigerian Prince. You want to give me $20 million? Oh, absolutely. My bank details? Yeah, sure. Hello? Damn it, don't you hate when your phone gets flat? If only I had it plugged into my KickAss Kick Charger. Damn it! So on the top of the unit we have lightning input, so you can charge via lightning. We have USB-C to charge and also to charge your other items, and also a USB out. So it's pretty much got everything covered for you. And unlike other power banks on the market that don't tell you where your battery status is, you press your little button, a little graph of LEDs will come up and tell you your battery status and when you're charging. You ripper. So as you can see here, the Kick Charge is running 5 items off it, and it has a total output of 20 watts. So how cool is that? Enough power to just about charge all your little devices. You beauty. And check out this for size as well. Mate, they're smaller than a pack of Winnie Blues. So head over to the website, head to our Brisbane store at Acacia Ridge or our Sunshine Coast store at Warana. Grab yourself a bargain. You absolute ripper. You beauty. Watt maximum. So here we go. So as you can see here, I've got 5 individual items. That would be 10. We have our little button. We have our little press. You ripper.